Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix VANerror -100 in League of Legends. So this is the connection error, and the first thing you want to do is make sure you have a stable connection. If you're using Ethernet or Wi-Fi, if you have access to it, try restarting your router and then check if that fixes your issue. Obviously, if you have a possibility to use the cable, and your PC or laptop supports it, you should use cable for League of Legends or any other online game. After you've done that, the next thing you want to do is go to Google, type in packet loss test, and I personally use this one, speed.cloudflare.com. It will test the internet speed and the packet loss and jitters and everything else. And after it's done testing, for some reason it says here online gaming average, doesn't matter. The latest speed's a bit high, but if it says here packet lost 0 or like how to receive, then it's fine. If it has like either 99 or less, then you have a problem either with your router or with your ISP. Then try again restarting your router, or if that doesn't work, you want to contact your ISP and tell them that you have a packet loss and that you're having issues with the internet, and they should be able to like either reset it on their side or like find some other issue. After then this, you want to close this out. You want to go to search, type in check firewall status, click on it. It will open this Windows Defender firewall. You want to click allow another app or feature through Windows Defender firewall. After in here, you want to click change settings and then click allow another app, click browse. You want to go to local disk C or whatever your Riot Games is, double click on it, open it. First you want to add Riot Client. It says Riot Client Services, click open and then click add. I already have it, but for you it will add it. And then go back up, go browse, local disk C, Riot Games, League of Legends. And you want to find the League client, which is this one with the highest size number, like 29 for me. And you want to double click on it, then click add. I already have it also, but it will add it and it will look like this. As you can see, Riot Client, and make sure you take both private and public. And make sure you take both private and public. And same for League. It says here long launcher, and you want to take it for both. And after you're done this, you want to close this out. The last thing you want to do before you restart your PC is type in run. In run, you want to type in this services.msc, click OK. It will open this window. You want to press somewhere here, press V on your keyboard till you find the VGC. You want to double click on it. And in here, it says automatic startup type, or if it says here for you manual or disabled, you want to click automatic, not the delayed start, just automatic. Click apply, click OK. You can either start it and then try League of Legends, but if that doesn't work, you simply just restart your PC. But before you restart your PC, you want to go back to search, type in system configuration, click services, click hide all Microsoft services, scroll all the way down till you find VGC, and make sure it's ticked. If it's unticked, you want to tick it, but just to be sure that it will work, you want to untick it and tick it back again, click apply, okay. And it will ask you to restart your PC one more time. And after you restart your PC one more time, your League of Legends should work properly. That's it for this video. That's how you fix VANerror -100 in League of Legends. Subscribe if you want to join the giveaway. Like, comment, see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.